Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit Data. So today exactly I'm gonna talk about placing orders through Allies Blue. Okay, and in particular I'm gonna show you how you can place the bracket order and how you can cancel those bracket order. Okay, so bracket order consists of you will get an target, stop loss, and it will be in a limit order, and in that particular part also trailing SL will be there. Okay, so right now I won't talk about trailing SL, but definitely won't will show you this placing orders uh, with your target, stop loss, and how exactly you can go. Okay, so before begin of this video I must say that if you don't have an Allies Blue trading account, okay, you can refer the link which is in the description and just go with name, email, select your state. Even you can select the Karnataka mobile number and go for the submit, and with the help of your Aadhaar card and PAN card you can instantly open an trading account. Okay, so I must say that follow these steps and have an account, and after opening an account, if you are getting any trouble in getting API or activating the API for placing orders, you can contact me, which is direct via WhatsApp. Okay, so let's begin this stuff. Okay, so I've already done a video where exactly I've been shown how you can place the order. Okay, so I must say that was the video where I've been explained how to take the access token and then utilize them to place your orders. Even I have been shown the market order and limit order. So this is the continuation part. So in this particular part I am going to only show bracket order. In next videos I will clear step by step. Okay, so it will be easy to follow. Okay, so in below the description I'll give the code, so you can follow that thing and can place the order. So right now what I'm doing is like whatever I've been placed my before previous orders, I will take that thing. Okay, and I will try to place orders. Okay, so as we can see I've been trying to place the Reliance, even earlier just now I've been placed an order. Okay, so this is I will take this Reliance part where exactly LTP is running on. Okay, and in this also I must say that you can go for this for your last price for your OHSC data, without purchase external data. Okay, if you just store this WebSocket data in your database and you fetch them, it will be easy to code any algorithm as per the indicator. Okay, any strategy whichever you want, it's you really require data. So I must say that run your WebSocket data and fetch them and perform the operations whichever you want. And WebSocket consists, which I will definitely do a particular video on that one. Okay, so let's learn this stuff. Okay, and I must say that store this stuff. So what happens if you are placing a limit order also, you can call this last price. So last price, if you call this, what happens, it will immediately place the order whichever is there. Okay, so as you can see 1436.55 something right now the LTP is going on, and the same we can expect from this LTP itself. So each and everything whatever we are getting, it is getting stored and we are fetching and we are utilizing. Okay, so please follow this step, and I'm gonna do more video on this. So I must say that if you don't have an account, please go through the link and have an account. And if you got any doubt regarding this, I mean for getting the API and for this placing orders, please go through the video. Okay, and you can contact me direct via WhatsApp, but I must say that open an account under my referral. Okay, then only I can help better. Okay, so let's follow this stuff how you can place the order. So simple, I just made a video on that one. Okay, so I've been placed earlier delivery order, a limit. With that one I've been shown how you can utilize. So right now what happened, I will try to place the order. Okay, so until order type limit is good to go, and next I have to go for the product type. I will just say bracket order. Okay, so if I have to say that I want to place this order, okay, for this buy, so what I have to give is like transaction type dot buy, and as I said, if I have to place this order without this last price, without getting from the database, I can check manually and can place the order. So what I will do is like 1437 is running right now. So if I just give an upper limit, okay, an upper circuit and upper limit, so what it will happen, it will immediately place my orders. Okay, so in just and float value I will try to give, and it will definitely gonna place my order for sure, 1440. Okay, and in between what I have to give is like trigger price will be there, which is of like for cover order price we are good to go. So we have to say none because we are not utilizing any kind of a trigger price. Only we have to say about the limit order, square off and stop loss. So I am given an upper limit 1442, so it will definitely gonna place on market order. So according to market order it will take a stop loss and target. So I will just give a stop loss as 5.0 and for target I will just say 3.0. so whatever you want, initially vice versa you can go. So stop loss first, then square off. Okay, so you have to go that way, and then for your trailing SL and for EMO orders you have to say none. So if you just give, you have to give each and everything as a none, whichever you don't want to give anything. Okay, so particularly I will just say and I will place the order. So I just say about this as an order ID itself. Okay, so if I just say an order ID and see to that I got my order has placed. So I will just say order ID and I will check there is nothing is going on right now. Okay, but right now it will definitely gonna place the order. So as you can see, initially was not there, but right now we placed an order. Okay, so as you can see 1436 some LTP was there and they have been has been placed my order. Okay, so everything was there good. So I have been placed my order and according to that stop loss and target will be take care. Okay, so initially I already placed my order. Okay, so I must say that you can go with these things initially. So before also I've been paid some loss was there, so this is a continuation. So what happens right now, once again I've been just placed a buy order and I just placed an upper limit. So what happens, it took immediate orders. And what happens in our order, there is a like in a limit and SL will be there. So you can like initially you can just take out this data from database and fetch the last price. Even that also will be taken care. From last price what happens, it will take your target and stop loss. So calculation will be get done. Okay, so what happens, it will take this limit and SL, and if you say as an SL it will be like for your stop loss. Okay, so this is your stop loss will be there. So exactly from that point I have been given some 5 rupees, so it will take according. Okay, and if I say that I have been given this 3 rupees for my target, so according to that it will take the target. So initially if I placed around, so 1439.25 is my target. Okay, so around 36 35 36 it took the order and it calculated according to that one and placed the limit according to that one for your sell. So it will square off at this part, so you will be in a profit, and if it is like moved to this part you will be in a loss. So this is the way we are doing. So initially you can go for the sell also. Okay, vice versa. So right now I will just say how you can cancel the order. So you have to take out this first of all you have to read this whatever you got this order ID, you have to read your data. Okay, so JSON is there. So what you do is like you have to say about this OMS order ID. Okay, so just fetch this stuff and you can call this way easily. Okay, so your OMS order ID will fetch whatever you got. Okay, so instead of printing I will just say whatever I got this for cancel order ID, I will just say okay, and then I try to print, sorry exactly, but okay I will try to call them. So whatever is there just call it, it doesn't matter whatever variable you get. Okay, so this is where you need to cancel this stuff. Okay, so it is very much simple to carry this stuff and cancel. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is like I have to call this alias dot cancel underscore order. okay, and I need to give this order ID. So whatever I got, just place them. So it will, whatever your legged order will be there opened, it will cancel that order and it will give that stuff. Okay, so success status. Okay, so initially the order was there but no pending orders, your order has been cancelled. Okay, yeah, so that's it, enough for this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. Okay, and this is the way you can follow. Even there is cover order is also there, so you can, like, place at the same and try to cancel this stuff. Even if you place a market order, from this way you can fetch this OMS order ID and can cancel that order. Initially I must say that whatever you have been opened this order, okay, in a limit or anything which is open order, it will definitely get cancelled. So elect order for a cover order and for your bracket order, it will definitely get cancelled with this help of a parent order ID. But for cancellation of other things, you just look out. Okay, so you can refer this Allies Blue GitHub pages for these things. Okay, so whatever open order will be there, it will definitely get cancelled, and other things you have to place in vice versa order. Okay, so go for this stuff and try this one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe, and if you got any doubt or requirements, do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.